Before AI can analyze data, we need to collect it, and how we collect that data matters just as much as what we do with it. Today, we're diving into how to harvest up-to-date, usable data directly from ArcGIS, the first step toward smarter insights.
One way to get data is from the ArcGIS. This is the ArcGIS for Lancaster County Enterprise version. Every county in Pennsylvania has their own ArcGIS. Let's take a look at how it works. Here on the right, we have our information and instructions. There's also a legend of everything that you'll be seeing. You can turn on the layers from the layers list. There's an option to print. There's disclaimers. And finally, you can choose what the base map imagery is on the entire ArcGIS. We're going to go with the 2024 imagery set. For this data pull, we're going to do a super search. Since we're pulling lots of data, the owner's name and the street name is not relevant. For the land use code in this example, I'm going to use 501, commercial vacant land. Under the district selection tool, I'm not going to select anything. That way, I get information from all the districts. Sometimes, when properties change hands, the participants will use $1 as the sale price. I don't want those sales. So we're going to ask for all sales over $10,000. I'm not concerned right now about the assessment value, but I would like to see those properties that are between 1 and 10 acres for commercial land use. And I would like to go back 1 year. Note the format is year, month, and day. Let's see how many we get. This has returned 38 results. Now that I have the 38 results, I can download them to a CSV file. Once they're downloaded to the CSV file, we can open them up in Excel and start working with the data.